welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina and today we are doing a lip scrub. Well, it's a little more than a lip scrub. I mentioned this in a previous video and a whole bunch of people were like, yes, please show us how you make that. So I'm calling this a lip scrub, but really I use this over my entire face, and you can make it a couple different ways, and I will put up some pop-ups to give you the little changes that I do. But it is very, very, very simple, very, very, very quick, and very, very, very cheap. All the things I like best. And this is the best scrub I've ever used for my face, my lips, anything. All right, so you're gonna need just a couple of things. In this bowl, I have approximately a cup of brown sugar. This is extremely soft brown sugar, so it isn't dried out. So when you touch it, it feels, you can pack it down. That's the important thing. All right, so you can pack it down. See how it starts out fluffy, and when you squish it with your finger, it packs down. You want brown sugar that does that. It makes a difference. It seems like it wouldn't, but it does. When it's like this, it melts, and sugar is an antibacterial, so it actually not only scrubs your face, it has a slight antibacterialness to it, which clears up any reddened spots on your skin. Now, to accentuate that, I use a little bit of lavender essential oil. This is not the kind I normally use. I'm only showing you this to give you an idea of what a bottle would look like. I got this on accident, not realizing that this was a massage oil instead of just the essential oil. I don't know what's in that, so I won't be using this today because I'm not going to put something on my skin I don't know what is, even if it does say massage oil. Okay, so the next thing I have is evening primrose oil. I get mine off eBay. If you have older skin, more mature skin, this oil is wonderful. If you have less mature skin and are worried about breakouts, use grapeseed oil. If you have super dry skin, you can use avocado, or even olive oil will work. And as a matter of fact, you can use olive oil for all of this, but it is going to, and it would be great for a lip scrub, but not so great all over your entire face. This, when you use it, the first time you use it, it sort of feels weird on your skin, like your skin isn't sure what to do with all that oil. That first time you get out of the shower and you feel like you have this face full of oil on. Leave it, let it soak in, and then blot off. And you're not gonna notice a lot coming off, frankly. Even if you have oily skin, using an oil like this, a good quality oil, will slow down the oil production on your skin. All you want to do is you want to open it up and then add oil until it looks, see how it's soaked right in there? So we're just going to mix that around a little bit. It's starting to form little balls, so I want it a little oilier than that. So I'm just going to add another pump or two, probably around 1/4 of a cup to a cup. So you want to get it to this stage where it looks like this. See how it's fully saturated with oil, and it just looks, but it isn't a liquid. See how I can hold it? You want it just like that. And then I store mine in little jars, like little mason jelly jars, and I store it in the shower, and my sons use it, and it clears up their acne within about 3 days. It moisturizes your skin super well, so and it just does amazing things, especially the primrose oil for older skin. It's super, super good. Okay, so see how it's all in there like that? That's all we're doing. And then normally I would add to this a few drops of lavender oil or even peppermint oil. And then you just take it, and that was liquid lipstick, and it's totally gone. And it tastes super good. And because you know what's in it, you can eat it. And yeah, that's all there is to it. Normally, it takes off anything. So that's some liquid glitter I've had on there for hours, and it literally takes it right off. When you're using the soft brown sugar, it is not going to super exfoliate your face. And as a matter of fact, you can put it on, scrub it in just a little bit, and then just leave it till the sugar melts, like while you're in the shower. That only takes a few minutes, and it just does something to your skin that leaves it brighter and beautiful and soft and moist, and it feels amazing. I promise. I mean, I know that this is like the simplest recipe in the whole wide world. I get that, but it really does work amazing. I use it in the primrose form for myself, and then I use the grapeseed version for my son, who has a real problem with acne unless he's using it, and it clears his skin up in days. It is amazing. That's all there is to it. I told you guys it was super simple. Like I said, the only extra thing I would do is maybe add some lavender essential oil to it, or peppermint, depending on your skin. If you have chamomile around because you're into essential oil, you can try that. Do not rush out and buy a chamomile essential oil unless you're going to use it though, because it's expensive. Lavender is fine and it's inexpensive and you can find it a lot of places. But this stuff is amazing. It's super, super easy to make, super, super cheap, and it works super, super good. Seriously, it works better than the $50 Dr. Brandt scrub I have. I love it. So yeah, that's my DIY sugar scrub. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you try it, what you think, because I'd really like to know if I'm the only person who's just like, wow, this is amazing that you can do this so easily. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!